Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cedar Rapids, local and long-distance movers near me. The experience of moving out of your comfort zone and the inconvenience of packing and unpacking your belongings to settle in an unfamiliar place is not pleasant. Fortunately, our affordable Cedar Rapids movers are here to make your long-distance move a memorable experience. Our professional team will handle the whole process with ease. We provide a range of long-distance services, including packing and unpacking services, heavy lifting, loading and unloading, unlike some of the other moving companies in Cedar Rapids. Our team ensures that your items reach their destination safely and on time. A local move may appear simpler, but it does require planning. Local 3 movers come to your aid and provide a local solution to your local move. Our Cedar Rapids movers will handle all your items from packing to unpacking at their destination. After delivery services, including storage, are also provided by our company in Cedar Rapids at your request. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cedar Rapids moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.